Hello, welcome to Swasthi Nutrition. This is nutritionist Sushma Jaiswal. I have experience of more than 36 years and I have worked in United Nations, WHO and many other international organizations for 25 years, and now I am practicing in Bangalore in preventive healthcare. If you have a history of heart attacks, then you have to be more careful to avoid all these aggressor factors which aggravate the heart attack. So family history is one. Then second is gender. If you are a male, then the heart attack intensity is more in males than females. However, if the diabetes is there, then the intensity is more in women than in men. Then third factor is age. The higher the age, the more chances of getting heart attack. Also, there are some aggravating factors. So the aggravating factors are that if you are taking alcohol or you are a smoker, chain smoker, then the possibility of getting heart attack is very narrowed down. If you have blood pressure, then also increases the chances of heart attack. So you have to keep your blood pressure in control. Then if you have cholesterol or triglycerides, they are very high, so heart attack chances are very much increased. So if you have triglycerides or cholesterol is very high, then also you have to keep in control, keep in check, so that the heart attack chances are eliminated. And diabetes. So diabetes is one very much leading factor, especially in India, for heart attacks. So, and heart attack is a silent killer. It just kills within minutes to hours to few days. If you have any of these ones, then please control this to prevent heart attack. Lifestyle also plays leading role in preventing heart attacks. For example, if you are not sedentary, you are not living a sedentary lifestyle but living a very healthy lifestyle, then heart attacks can be prevented. So mild exercise in the morning, if even for 1 hour, would be very much helpful in preventing heart attacks. So you can do this exercise like walking in the morning hours, which also would provide you vitamin D as well as fresh air for your lungs, and it would be helpful in preventing heart attacks. Second thing is that we have to take enough of rest. So like night sleep is very much essential. From 10:30 to 5 o'clock sleep is very much essential. During that time, our body repairs ourselves. So the proper rest is also essential in preventing heart attacks. Third thing, if our work is stressful, then also chances of heart attack are increased. So we have to try to reduce stress by many factors, by eating healthy food, by doing some meditation or yoga, and finally the diet plays a very important role. You have to try to keep your weight right. You have to keep your healthy weight all the time. Plus you have to eat the right kind of food, and especially heart friendly food, which is essential fatty acids. Now essential fatty acids play a very important role, and essential fatty acids, why they are called essential? Because they are not synthesized in our body, but we have to take them in the diet every day. So these essential fatty acids, what is the source? The source is oil and fat. Nowadays we are not getting the oil and fats. So earlier we used to get the oils, fresh oils, like we used to go to the market with the can or some kind of container and used to fill the oil and bring. So this oil was fresh oil, the unprocessed oil. But nowadays all the oils are available in the plastic bottles, which are highly processed, refined and hydrogenated. So those oils and fats are leading cause of heart attacks. We used to get these oils in our childhood, so we accumulated those essential fatty acids in our body. But now the newer generation, the children, they are not getting these essential fatty acids. And you might have come across some time or other that even a 8-year-old or 10-year-old or even a 6-year-old got heart attack. This is very serious. So you have to know that in these children there is no stress, no irregular sleep patterns or not other factors, but the deficiency of essential fatty acids which is causing heart attack, and this is very serious. So people, please go visit a dietitian and ask her what are the sources of essential fatty acids and try to give them to your all the family members, especially to children, to prevent heart attacks. More simpler way would be that you extract your oil in your home, so that you are sure that there are no chemicals are added and no other processes are being done. So stay healthy. Getting more videos and more suggestions, more ideas, and preventing your health, you please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.